The problem I'm having...
Okay, good. What's the problem?
...is that it's pulling hay in and then it's getting stuck and clogged.
We all understand what the problem is. We have to replace...
Okay, good. What's the problem?
One of the problems is that the hay just might not be dry enough yet.
We're very aware of the problem.
But...
Be it. I agree.
I'm gonna check everything over.
Talking la 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 like...
And just see if there are any other issues.
Well, there's some work to be done, I'll admit that.
Yeah,
but,
there is.
That might be causing me some pain here.
This is no time to push the panic button.
See if I can keep that open for you. I think it's gonna want that.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
No, what's the problem?
We're trying to solve the problem here.
No, what's the problem? No, what's the problem?
The problem is we have to replace our
Nope.
lineup.
We got to think differently.
$47 to replace.
The problem we're trying to solve. Not even looking at the problem.
I have discovered my problem. The belts aren't turning, right? And I've been looking over this thing, looking over it, and mind you, this is my first time with a round baler. I don't know a lot about what I'm doing here.
You have a lot of experience and wisdom in this room. Now, you need to have a little bit of faith.
There's some pins in the baler right here. And there's a little hole right here. These pins go in those holes when you're operating. I'm gonna show you on this side where there aren't as many gears. Man, do I feel like a dummy after this one.
Rookie move by a ditto head Neil.
But these pins are right here, and then there's a holder right up in here. What it is they replaced the belts on this before I bought it. And in order to do that, you have to take the tension off the belts. And actually, probably for storage, it's not a bad idea to take the tension off the belts so you don't stretch the belts out. So it's probably overall a good idea.
Boy, that sounds like fortune cookie wisdom to me.
No, that's just logic.
I didn't know. I'm learning this, okay? So I like to do videos because somebody else out there has made this same mistake and is gonna look this up. Why the heck aren't my belts spinning? The belt looseners. So what I have to do is turn the tractor on, lift up the gate to take the tension off of the belts, and then I should be able to pull those pins out. Voila, the pin comes out. Goes in there for safekeeping. This is my very first round bale. It didn't tie over on this right hand side. I'm not pleased about that. It looks like the strand got in the center there. Looks like the strand got in the center. It didn't make it all the way over. I'm gonna try it again. Part of the reason why I think I had a hard time getting this to tie, but that side looks pretty. Ooh, look at that. Take a picture and send it to Shauna. Anyway, I was watching this to tell me when it was full, and I don't think I ever really hit a full bale, but it started to jam up again down there. So I'm gonna close this up and try it again, see if it keeps jamming up.